Okay, so I have this planter here that had a plant in it, but no longer does. So I thought for Halloween, I would create a spooky topiary. So that's what I'm going to attempt to do in this video. Make it somewhat spooky, Victorian kind of extravaganza. We'll see. So Michael's trip. Here we go. Did I go overboard? Possibly. Will it be worth it in the end? I sure hope so. This is my first time attempting a topiary / floral arrangement for a planter, and I'm really excited about it. Was this a frugal project? Absolutely not. So even though the stems were all on sale, it still was costly. So if you wanted to do a more frugal version of this, I'm sure we could probably do like a Dollar Tree / Walmart version of this. However, I had done previous Michael trips the week before, and I saw these stems, and so I knew what look I was going for. I don't really know if I would have achieved the same feel with the selection at Dollar Tree. That's all I'm gonna say. All right, let me show you what we've got. All right, in bag number 1, we have dead looking moss. So this was really awesome to see. They had it in different colors too, like a vibrant purple and blue, but I wanted to go for more of a dead look. So this is going to cover up the bottom of the stems, fill in any gaps, and then also it's going to cover up the styrofoam block that I got as well to hold all of the stems in place. I could not leave without this adorable little raven / crow. I don't know what exactly it is, but I love it. It's sparkly, and it is now a part of our family. So this is going to sit in the topiary at some point. And then, of course, we couldn't have Halloween without the white pumpkins. Now, I'm going for white because orange I think would be too vibrant for the look that I'm going for. They only had 2 of these. I'm a little disappointed because I like getting things in 3s, but we'll see how it goes. I think it'll be all right with the raven / crow in the topiary. Okay, so in the Halloween section, this is what gave me the idea. So I really loved these wispy, almost feathery inserts. They're called a bush on the tag. They had these in purple and they had these in like a bluey teal as well, but I wanted to go for black. So we're getting 3 of these. And then I loved the look of these. I don't know what these are called. What are they called? It's just a bush. They had these in the same colors as well. Also black. I didn't want too much black. I still wanted to keep it dark, but have some color in it. So that's what started me off. So that's going to be filler. And then next I'm going to show you the flowers that I got. Okay, it's probably going to be really hard to see all of these, but we're going to try anyway. So this is going to be the centerpiece, this lovely orchid. I am so excited about this. I love orchids, and this is just like the right kind of vibrancy that I'm going for, this rich kind of Morticia Addams, but a little bit more lifelike look. That's what I'm going for. So there's this centerpiece orchid, and then we have, for the back, this fun black shimmery tree branch, which you have to have for any kind of spooky, creepy Halloween decor. Then I have 2 of these black eucalyptus sprays. So of course, more filler, but also black and dead-like, but extravaganza. And then for more flowers, so for bigger fullness, we have these velvety looking, well, they're not really velvet, but they look velvet, rich looking hydrangeas. They're like a plum, so I got 2 of those. Ooh, and I like that a lot of these floral stems come with leaves too, to create more filler, so you don't see as many gaps. And then again for Again, we've got more flowers. These are a dark blue. It might not show up as dark blue in the video, but they are like a dark, dark blue, and they look beautiful. I'm excited about these too. And then last but not least, I wanted some hanging down sprays, and I found this. I believe this is technically a hydrangea too. Does it say? No, it just says bush. So this will be on the very front, hanging over the planter. So I'm really excited about these colors. I'm excited about these choices. And then also, before I forget, here is the block, the foam block. I'm going to cut, I already marked where the planter stops, but I'm going to go in a little bit smaller because the planter comes in a little bit more. So that way I can have it more like a oval shape here to fill it, and it'll stick really well in there. So I'm going to go ahead and cut this down to size, see how it works, and then we'll take it from there and start styling this out. I'm so excited. Also, the other thing that I have is a hot glue gun, because who knows what we need to do. I think I might have to hot glue the moss around here. Who knows? It's always good to have a hot glue gun handy and some excess glue. All right, guys, I will see you when this is all shaped.